What chemical should I use for removing thermal paste? What should I use for removing thermal paste, acetone or isopropyl alcohol? Some say acetone is the best thing for the task, others say it's a no-no. Who should I believe?
From many years of removing thermal paste, I found my favorite to be WD-40, and then isopropyl for cleaning up the oils left on the mating surfaces by the WD-40. Just use paper towels and/or cotton swabs to apply the wipe. As Lord Torgamer says in his comment, acetone is dangerous, whereas WD-40 is pretty safe stuff, and it worked way better than I expected when I first tried it. Smiley face. For any electronic cleaning, try to use 90% plus isopropyl, and not the cheap rubbing alcohol stuff you get at the drugstore. Smiley face. If you're dealing with thermal epoxy, then you will probably have to go with acetone. If you're wondering if you're dealing with paste or epoxy, then it's probably paste because epoxy gets hard like a rock and usually prevents separation without destruction. Smiley face. Hope that helps.
Never use any petroleum-based cleaners, WD-40, and many automotive degreasers, on the surface of a metal cap or heatsink. The oil, which is engineered to not evaporate, will fill the microscopic valleys in the metal and significantly reduce the effectiveness of any subsequently applied thermal compound. This is from Arctic Silver Support, this URL.
Both will work, however, as Lord Torgamus commented, acetone is quite strong. Try isopropyl alcohol first. If there's still remnants that you really can't remove, upgrade to acetone.
Yes, Sultan.